Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to rent a house on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, we have the buy, rent, sell, we have the home loans, find an agent, and in the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and hear everything about your profile and all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and rent a house on Zillow. So first of all, visit the Zillow Rental Manager website and log into your account. Click on list a rental and start entering details about your property, such as rent price, security, deposit, property details. Then list the amenities your property offers, such as laundry facilities, parking, pet policies, etc. Then, of course, write a detailed description of your property, highlighting any upgrades or desired features. Add high quality photos for the interior and the exterior. And then include your name, email, and phone number so interested rents can contact you. Once you fill out all the information, publish your listing to make it visible to potential renters. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.